Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. My humble obeisances to the divine lotus feet of my Guru Maharaj, Nitla Vishnu, Vishnupar, Sotashad, Bhakti Pramod, Puri Gosai Maharaj, and equal Dandat Pranams to my Shiksha Gurudevs, Nitla Vishnu, Vishnupad, Bhakti Vedanshila Narayan Gosai Maharaj, and Nitla Vishnu, Vishnupad, Bhakti Vigyanshila Bharti Gosai Maharaj, to entire Guru Parampara, especially Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, whose darshan we just had. So, many devotees wondering what we are doing here. In this big area, there is no darshans here. This is the place where we are sitting and gathering. We gathered to hear Hari Katha, but we just had darshan of Yoga Maya Devi under that tree, and also Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj. Gaur Avirbhavi Bhumos Tam Nirstil Jan Priya Vaishnav Sarbhom Shri Jagannathai Te Namaha. We heard from many speakers the glories of this place. I want to add something. There are 9 islands, and that's why it's called Navadip Dham. Suna jache na? No sound? What to do? We will arrange better for tomorrow. Just bear with us. So, क्या बोला था?
9 islands.
The 9 islands. What are those 9 islands? If you want to learn this, learn one formula. Shri Gauranga Mahaprabhu keeps relishing the joyous moods of Radha's Anurag. If you learn this statement, you can learn all 9 islands. By the mercy of Srila Gurudev, under guidance of Vaishnavas, we are here. This dweep, this island is called Simanta Deep. Shri Keshavji Gaudiya Math, where we are residing, that's Koladweep. But this is Simanta Deep, where Durga Devi, the external energy of Krishna and the consort of Mahadev, she prays to get the dust from the lotus feet of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and she put that on her simant. Simant means the parting of the hair, to get the mercy of Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That's why this place is called Simanta Deep. Many people who go to have darshan, they think this is Mahamaya, the external energy. But Vaishnavas, our acharyas, they describe, it's not Mahamaya, it's Yoga Maya. What is the function of Mahamaya and Yoga Maya? They both are covering. Mahamaya covers us, conditioned souls, and Yoga Maya, she also covers. Both their role is to cover. Mahamaya covering the conditioned souls and make jivas averse to Krishna. But Yoga Maya also have the same role. She also covers. She covers whom? She covers Krishna and all his associates. As Shri Vishnu Chakur Thakur is saying, Leela Vilase Bhakti Manjire Lolu Palane Sarvagya Mugdhe Cha Nidhe Gokula Nante Namaha. While paying obeisances to his Ishta, his worshipable, Shri Vishnu Chakur Thakur is saying, I pray and worship Shri Gokula Nand, who is Sarvagya Mugdhe Cha Nidhe, is the ocean of omniscience and bewilderment. Krishna get bewildered, and Krishna also all knower. How Krishna get bewildered? Krishna get bewildered by his own potency, Shri Yoga Maya Devi. As Shri Durga Devi, Mahamaya, described in Srimad Bhagavatam, the instructions that Krishna gave to Brahmaji. Jnanam param bhuyam me yad vijnana samanvitam sarahasya anganam cha. Shri Krishna, when he is giving this teaching, the Chaturshloki Bhagavatam to Brahma, is saying Jnanam means knowledge, but Vijnanam means the science of that knowledge. So when it comes to the knowledge, Krishna said, Aham evasam evagre nanya sat asat cha param pashyat aham ya avshishyati so asminaham. He is giving describing his own personality, his own tattva. But with Vijnana realization, Krishna is describing about Maya. Rite artam yat pratet na pratecha atmani tad vidde atma maya yatha abhasa yatha tamaha. Very detailed description of this Maya. But this is called science, because to get engrossed in Maya is not the role of the conditioned soul. To get out of Maya, to be in the domain of Yoga Maya, is all about our sadhana, all about our practice. So, about Mahamaya, Shri Brahmaji is describing Shishti Sthiti Pralay Sadhan Shakti Eshaha Chaya Eva Yasya Bhunani Bhravit Durga Ichhanu Rup Asya Sacheshasasa Govinda Mahadi Purusham Tamam Bhajami. Goshajan. Shri Brahmaji is describing Mahamaya's what? What she is doing, what's her role? Creation, maintain and annihilation is done by Mahamaya. And what is that Mahamaya? Chaya, shadow of the original Maya, which is called Yoga Maya. That shadow means, what is her role? She never comes in front of Krishna. She always feels shy and embarrassed. She always stays behind Krishna. Vilajyamana yasya, Srimad Bhagavatam describing, Maya feels so much shy and embarrassed. She don't come in front of Krishna. She always keeps herself behind Krishna. What is the evidence? The evidence is when Shri Naraji, he gave the instructions to Vedvyasji, and Vedvyas in his Samadhi Yoga, he had darshan of Mahamaya. Bhakti Yogena Manasi Samyak Pratipyamale Apashyat Purusham Purnam Mayastat Padashayam. Shri Vedvyas in their Samadhi Yoga, in Prem Bhakti Samadhi Yoga, he saw Krishna and the entire pastimes of Krishna. But he also saw Maya, the external energy which is behind Krishna. She never comes in front of Krishna. But how to get out of this Maya? They describe Yasya Vishunamayanam Krishna Param Purushe Bhakti Rutpatti Punsam Shok Mo Bhaya Paya. The role of Maya is what? Shok, Mo and Bhai. Shok means lamentation. Mo means bewilderment. And Bhaya means fear. These are the byproducts of the influence of Maya. But this is also the influence of Yoga Maya. She also put in bewilderment. She also create fear. And she also create lamentation. But for whom? Only for the associates of Krishna, the Braj Gopis, the Brajavasis. They have extreme level of lamentation. They have extreme level of bewilderment. And they have an extreme level of fear. This is pure and transcendental in nature. But Mahamaya, her role is to make that lamentation, bewilderment and fear, and make the jivas fight for this, and make the jivas trouble in this material world. This is the nature of Maya. And therefore, we conditioned souls, we feel so happy that we are in Mahamaya. We are enjoying day and night. But that's why Srila Gurudev and all the Vaishnavas, they bring us to Navadvip Dham Parikrama, so we can pray to Mahamaya, please release us from your clutches and give us entrance to the pure form of Maya, that is Yoga Maya. And what is the function of Yoga Maya? Again I said, Srila Vishnu Chakur Thakur is saying, Sarvagya Mugdhai Cha Nidhai Gokulanante Namaha. Yoga Maya make Krishna also bewildered. Krishna can't realize that he is Supreme Personality of Godhead. And if he always remain in the same mood that I am Supreme, he cannot function, he cannot manifest those Braj pastimes. This is the influence of Yoga Maya. Without the mercy of Yoga Maya, say, or without the support of Yoga Maya, Krishna can't perform the best of all his pastimes. Amongst all his pastimes, the best one is the Ras Leela. Santi yadyame prajya leela astat manohara nahi jani smrite rase mano kim drishyam bhave. Krishna say, I perform many pastimes, but when I think of Ras Leela, something makes me restless. That's the best amongst all the pastimes. But that Ras Leela is dependent on Yoga Maya. And this is the first verse from the Ras Leela. Bhagwan apita ratri sharvad full mallika vikshirante manashakre Yoga Maya pashita. Krishna has taken shelter of Yoga Maya. She is the director of all the pastimes of Lord Ram. She is the director of all the pastimes of Krishna. She is the director of all the pastimes of Mahaprabhu. Without the support of Yoga Maya, Krishna can't even relish the reason for which he descended on this material planet. The reason for Krishna coming here is to relish Parkiya Bhav, the paramour mood. But without the support of Yoga Maya, he can't relish this. Therefore, Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita describing, Mo Vishay Gopigan Upapati Bhave, Yog Maya Koribe Apna Prabhave, Ami na jani Gopigan, Duhu Rupugune, Duhu Nitya Hariman, Dharma Chhadi Rag Doho Kore Milan, Kabu Mile, Kabu na Mile, Devera Ghatan. Krishna's lamenting, oh, by will of providence, I'm not able to meet my Braja Gopis. But who is that providence? Who is the Lord of arranging all and making Krishna relishing all this pastime is Yog Maya Devi. So we are here praying to Shri Yog Maya Devi. Please take us in your domain and please order your shadow, Mahamaya, to please release us from the clutches. And that can only be possible if we take shelter of Maha Bhagavatar, Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, who lived 144 years. There are many pastimes of Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj and glories, but one point, Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj instructed Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada to make a Vaishnav calendar. Today we are getting to know the appearance and disappearance of so many Acharyas and Vaishnavas. When to observe Gaur Purnima, when to observe Janmashtami, Ram Navami, Narsingh Chaturdashi, and when to observe all other tithis. This was the instruction of Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj to Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And on that instruction, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he made that Vaishnav calendar which is still prevailing all over the world. So paying obeisances to Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj and Shri Yoga Maya, please bless us so we can come out from the Mahamaya to be in the domain of Yoga Maya. Gaur Premanande, Shri Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj ki. এখন আমরা যাব নির্দেয় ঘাট।